What's up, folks? It's your boy, Coach Ty, and today I am taking you through MuscleWiki's brand new routine generator. So I'm going to explain how this thing works and how you can get the most out of it. Let's get straight into it. So first off, we are going to be asking you a series of questions so that we can properly tailor this routine for you. First questions will be about your demographics, your sex, and your age. Now, this is going to help us dictate how much volume and rep ranges you should be doing. There's a ton of research demonstrating that women can handle more volume than men because they have more slow twitch muscle fibers. And in regards to age, you probably shouldn't be training as heavy as an older person because of joint issues. So this will help us dictate that. Next up will be your level of experience in the gym. Now, this matters because the longer you've been lifting, the more of a stimulus you're probably going to need to keep inducing muscle growth. So if you've been lifting for a longer time, your body will be more adapted and therefore will need more work than if you're brand new to the gym. So this will help us decide on that. Next will be what you're trying to achieve or your fitness goal. So we have three options for you here: lose body fat, gain muscle, and build strength. Now, there are some variations with how you would structure workouts in a routine given these goals. Key difference between losing fat and building muscle is we will be training a little bit higher rep, up the heart rate a little bit more often. There also will be a little bit of cardio recommended for the lose body fat folks. And the key difference with gaining strength is obviously you need to train on the heavier side when you are trying to gain strength. Muscle doesn't really care about rep ranges so long as you go to near failure on all your sets, but strength does. So we need to be training sub 8 reps on the compound movements in order to gain serious amounts of strength over time. So this question will help us tailor your routine in that way. Next up is a pretty obvious one, which is how many days per week can you train? I would recommend you go as often as you possibly can. And that's just because the more often you can go, the faster you'll see results and the less you need to do in one particular session. And this will also lead us to what the next page is, which is body part splits. So the amount of days that you can work out is going to dictate what split is appropriate. Now, you've got a few split options. You've got full body, you've got upper lower, you've got the bodybuilding style split, and you also have push-pull legs. So let's say you can only train 3 days a week. Wouldn't make much sense to do an upper lower split because then you'd have to do 2 upper body days and 1 lower body day or vice versa. Would make more sense in that kind of context to go full body 3 days a week, right? So again, the amount of days you can train will help us dictate the split. Now, once you've gotten over to the split page, my recommendation for you would be a full body split. We know from the evidence that muscles don't need a whole lot of sets in one session in order to see maximum growth. That number seems to be between 2 and 5 sets. So it makes the most sense to train several different body parts in one day and then turn around the next day or two and train those muscles again. And yes, you can recover just fine from that. However, if you prefer bodybuilding, push-pull legs, upper lower splits, all of these work. Please don't think I'm saying that they don't work. They absolutely do. If that's your preference, we've got you covered. Our final question for you is the equipment you have access to. Now, we've simplified this to where you can select full gym if you attend a full gym or at home if you work out from your place. But obviously, let's say you don't have access to a barbell. We don't want to give you a bunch of barbell exercises. So this helps us go into our library of 1,900 exercises and figure out which ones you can do based on the equipment that you have. Once you've selected all the, and also you can just select the specific pieces of equipment that you have. If at home You do have a barbell and say bands. Let's say that's all you have. You can select those two pieces of equipment and we can generate you a routine from that. Now that we're done with that part, we're going over to the results page. On the results page, you will get a complete overlook of your routine. You can view each individual workout. We estimate how much time each workout will take you. May take you longer, might take you less time. Again, it's just an estimation to give you some idea of how long you'll be spending training. And we also have a fatigue matrix, is what we call it, which will tell you how fatigued each muscle will be after each given workout. You can click the refresh button if you would like to go back and select different things. Let's say you want to change the split, you want to change what body parts you're training, what equipment, whatever. You can do this as many times as you would like. And then from there, you can save the routine. And it will save as individual workouts in an overall routine. Now, if there are exercises that you don't particularly like, we're not in the business of locking you into one particular thing. So you can either click the shuffle button and we will give you a different exercise based on our data and our parameters, or you can just pick a exercise that you prefer, whatever you'd like for that respective body part. Totally up to you. But you'll still have structure in the body part being trained in that specific space in that workout, and the reps and the amount of sets that you'll be doing. Now, keep in mind, this is not some AI generated workout. We have worked for a couple of years now on tailoring our data and our exercise library and using my knowledge as a personal trainer of over 10 years and someone with a master's degree in exercise science, my mind on how workouts should be programmed given all of these different parameters from the questions that we ask you. So this was meticulously made by our team, and I think it's fantastic. So please give it a try. Let us know what you think. Save those workouts and get to the gym. I'm Coach Ty with MuscleWiki, and I'll see you next time. Deuces.